So just because the elite elders of the Illuminati have an agenda for the Flat Earth movement does not mean that it's true whatsoever. Because anyone with some basic logic will understand without question that our world is a sphere, a natural sphere, like nature shows us. The spherical shape is all around us. When we look at the planets, they're spherical, our moon is spherical, the eclipse is spherical, seeds and eggs and cells, trees, yes, trees. And it's funny because Eric Doobie wrote in saying trees are round, lol. So Eric Doobie, since you're ignorant to the fact that trees have everything to do with spheres and being round and circles, I'll just show you. From the seeds to the pine cones, to the trees themselves, the rings that we find inside of the trees, to the tree holes, to knots in trees, to the very shape of trees, which the top part is half of the dome and the tree root system is the other part of the spherical object of the tree itself. You see, because you cannot grasp the log of logic that is branched from the wise dome of the true wood, the wisdom of the sacred tree of truth, the ancient Druidic old wise one, which is why the wise old owl sits in the tree of knowledge. As above, so below. So, Eric Doobie, the tree of nature has absolutely everything to do with spherical and round objects, from the seeds to the very cell structure of wood itself, to the layout of trees, which is why the root system and the tree system grow outwards from the center spherically. And of course, the sphere is how all of the fruits and vegetables and nuts grow that come from trees. And the plants from nature. Tell me, do you see anything that's flat here besides the man-made cut fruit? Nope, because nothing in nature is truly flat. So the natural world around us is the truth, and only man-made things that we make are flat. And that's why nature reveals the sphere, like in rainbows, which of course reveal the spherical world we live in, and of course the sphere of the sun that gives the light. So nature reveals the sphere here on Earth and in outer space. And I have personally seen the planets through a telescope, and they are spherical without question. So I tried to look to nature to what is flat, and I thought of rocks perhaps, but even rocks that are flat are actually not flat at all. And even those things which we perceive in our perspective to be flat, like the salt plains, are actually not flat whatsoever. So natural flat rocks are actually not flat at all, but you'll notice that man-made ones are perfectly flat. So then I thought of natural trees. Maybe they are straight and flat, but the truth is, no, they're not whatsoever. The truth is, everything about them is spherical in nature. But of course, in the flat world Illuminati matrix, we find the round spherical trees are turned into flat planks of wood. So manufactured man-made things or lies are flat. And then natural truth is spherical and round.